Hi everyone, welcome to MASH Math. Today we are going to study chapter 6 triangles, exercise 6.3, question 12. Sides AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and QR and median PM of triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So here it is said AB, BC and median of triangle ABC. So that is this triangle. So in this AB, BC, this side BC and then median that is AD. They are of this triangle ABC, they are proportional to sides PQ, QR and PM. And this full side here it is taken. So they are proportional, these two triangles. Now what we have to show is that triangle ABC, this triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So we have to prove that both are similar. Similar means the criteria is all angles are equal and all sides should be proportional. So already given that AB upon PQ and then BC upon QR and median AD upon PM, they are proportional. It is given to us. It is not given to us that AC upon PR. So we have to find that and then prove this both the triangles are similar. So first of all, what is given to us we'll write down. So what is given to us? AB. AB of this triangle and of this triangle first is PQ. PQ is equal to BC upon QR equal to AD upon PM. So this is given to us. But what we have to prove is we have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay. For similarity, we have four criteria: angle, 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 and all three sides. If they are proportional, we can say they are similar. Or side angle, side also we can say they are similar. So we have to find out which one will be, which criteria will fit here. Okay. So let's start proof. So first we will take, since here it is given to us, AB is proportional to PQ and AD is proportional to PM. AD upon PM is proportional, both the median. So what is given only we will take, since it is given, so we will take these two triangle ABD. Since both the side is given, here also both the side proportional, so we will take this triangle. Okay, so we'll take this triangle first. So we are talking about now this triangle. Okay. So in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD and triangle PQM. Why we are taking these two triangles? Because these two sides are already given to us. AB upon PQ and AD upon PM. Already two sides we have. So if we get one more side, then we can prove that both are similar. Then once we get both are similar, then we can prove that this all full triangle is similar. That's why already we have two clue here. These two sides are proportional. These two sides. Okay, so that's why we are taking this triangle first, because what is given to us we make use of it and find the other one. Okay, so in this two triangle, what are the things are given to us? Before that, let us see, since already two sides are given to us, we need the third side. So for this third side, what we will take, this BC, can we write down this way? BC equal to BC, can we write down 2 times BD, because this is already, it is said AD is a median. Median meaning is what? Median means this line is equally dividing this line equally half. That means BD is equal to DC. So that means, can I write BC is 2 times BD? So that's what we'll write, 2 times BD. Same way here also you take QR is there, okay, QR. Can we write down this QR 2 times QM, because this is also said PM is a median. If this is median, this line is separating this line equally half, dividing this equally half. That means QM is equal to MR. So QR can be written 2 times QM, because same measurement is here. So 2 times we can write QM. So 2 times QM. Okay. So let's take this as equation 1. So now what is given to us we will take. Now in this triangle, we are studying about this triangle. So in this triangle, what is given to us is AB. This thing we will write down. Same thing, what is given to us. Okay. AB upon PQ equal to, now instead of BC, let us write down this. BC is what? 2 times BD. And QR is what? 2 times QM. Okay. Now let us take this. It's equal to AD upon PM. Okay. So this is given to us. So we will write down given. Now 2 gets cancelled. So we will have AB upon PQ equal to BD upon QM equal to AD upon PM. So BD upon QM is what actually? BD. BD is here. BD upon QM. So already this side is equal, proportional. BD upon QM is proportional. So already now all 3 sides over. So AB upon PQ, then AD upon PM, and BD upon QM. So already all 3 sides are equal. So if all 3 sides are equal, the ratio, then can we say, therefore triangle ABD, this is the triangle, right? This yellow color triangle, no? So this triangle is similar to this triangle. Triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM by side criteria. Okay, so we have proved that all 3 sides are proportional to each other, the ratio. If they are proportional, all 3 sides, then we say both the triangles are similar. So if both the triangles are similar, angles also will be equal. So can we say angle B will be equal to angle Q? Because similar, both the triangles are similar, and therefore angles also will be equal. So let's write down. Therefore angle B is equal to angle Q. But now we have to prove, actually we have not finished. We are supposed to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So let's start proving that. So now in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, now what are the things are equal? Let us see. So now to prove that both the triangles are similar, we have either angle criteria, you can say both are similar, or angle, or side, or side angle side. These are both 4 options we have where we can prove that both the triangles are similar. So now let us see what are the things are matching here. We have already given to us that AB upon PQ ratio is equal. Okay, and then we have also given to us is BC upon QR also is given to us, right? So you see, AB upon PQ, AB upon PQ. So this side, first is this side, right? I'll take another color, this side. First is this side. It is given to us. AB upon PQ is there, ratio is proportional, okay? Then given to us BC upon QR. So BC upon QR also is given to us, okay? Then, so two sides are over, we have side and side, two sides are there. Then we found out that angle B is equal to angle Q. So that means, can we use that side angle sides? Side angle side, can we say this both the triangles are similar? So in this triangle, angle B is equal to angle Q, because we can say this we can use it as equation 2, so that you can write equation 2 in bracket, reason you can give. Then AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. This is given to us, okay? So we have sides, ratios are there, and angle is there. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by side angle side criteria. I hope it is clear to you. So this is what we have to prove, and then we have proved it. That's it. Thank you and God bless you.